Welcome to this eggplant demonstration video. This video will show eggplant executing a script against multiple systems using a single script, data-driven testing, and that data-driven testing will be testing a geographical information systems application, Google Maps. I will very briefly talk through this script, and then we'll go ahead and run it against two platforms. So first you'll see eggplant is going to make sure that Google Maps is in satellite mode so that we can use the satellite imagery. Next it's going to put the data from this file into a list of coordinates that we want to verify. In addition to those coordinates, it also has information on what it's supposed to verify, a particular portion of the screen. So then we'll verify that the coordinate exists and the image is correct. Otherwise, it will flag that it has changed, and then we'll reset for the next run. And the final thing we'll do before we end the script will be to log how many successes we had for that given run. To run this against multiple platforms, I've chosen to use Eggplant Scheduler so that you can get a nice visual output of what's going on during the run. So I'm going to go ahead and run. It's going to first connect to our Linux machine. Check that it's in satellite mode. Then go ahead, search by coordinates. And it'll take us to our Boulder office. Zoom way in. And now when Eggplant goes to verify, it's going to go ahead and verify this area of the screen right here. These two this road junction right here. You can see that it's empty. That's what Eggplant is expecting. Now if there were a vehicle parked there, Eggplant would flag this as not being able to be found. It would capture the screen, which it's going to do. If it were to fail, then you can use that image for analysis, making sure that indeed the expected result was correct. So we're just going to go ahead and let it continue now. You'll see it go ahead and verify that the road was empty. Now this next test is going to show something a little bit different. We're going to look at a parking lot this time. And in this parking lot you'll see this row of cars here that I'm highlighting with my mouse. Eggplant is going to check this row of cars to make sure that it's the same as when it was taken, as when I initially took the image. So you're going to see it verify that. I'm going to take that breakpoint out so that we'll continue here. So we're going to go ahead and continue. It's going to verify those parked cars. And now we've connected to Windows. It's important to note that I did not have to do anything special in order to make this script run on Windows. It's double checking that it's in satellite mode right now. Load up the data, click into the search field like it did before, exactly the same way it did on the other platform. It'll go to our Boulder office again and do the same verification. You could have it do a different verification if you'd like, but it's going to do the same thing across different browsers, on different operating systems, on different hardware. And with that, that's the end of our demonstration. Please check www.testplant.com for more information on eggplant and how it could help your testing effort.